Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rahane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Students, today we will learn chapter number 7, that is Functions in Calc part 2. In last session we learned round up function, round down function, truncate function, integer function, square root, log, as well as product and power function. Now in this session we are going to learn statistical function. So what is statistical function? Besides typical mathematical function, Calc also offer you variety of statistical function on a series or range of value. Statistical function help in collection, analysis, explanation and presentation of data in order to support forecasting, predicting as well as decision making activities. So let us see some popular statistical function. So student, the first statistical function, that is the average function. The average function written the average of number given to it. The average is also considered as arithmetic mean. You have to sum up all the number in list and divide the sum by total count size of the list. So you may consider up to 30 such a value separated with the semicolon sign semicolon. So here I will show you practical student. Here you are writing numbers, that is 10, 7, 6, 8, 9 and 5. And here I am using the function average equal to average bracket open. I select all the cell, bracket close, enter. So I get the average number, that is 7.5. Now next statistical function is mean. The mean function return the geometric mean of number given to it. The geometric mean of say n non-negative number is obtained by multiplying them all together and then taking the nth root. You may use up to 30 arguments. The general form of the function is geomean. For example, if you write equal to geomean, here I am showing practical, equal to geomean bracket open 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5 and bracket close. In place of comma you have to use semicolon, right? Okay, I write here 4 number only, enter. I use again equal to geo mean bracket open 10, 7, 6, 8, 6 and 5 bracket close, enter. So I will get the result 6.8. There is another type of mean function supported by the Calc, that is harmean. Harmonic mean. The harmonic mean has similar general form, that is harmean. Okay. And the next function is median. The median is defined as the middle number of the group when they are ranked in order. If you cannot find the exact one middle number, in case the total number of argument in a group is even, so take two middle number and average them. So here student, I am again writing, I will show you a practical equal to median bracket open and I choose all this number. Okay, here I close the bracket So you will get the median, that is 7.5. Okay student, then after that the next function is mode function. What is the mode function use? The mode function return the most common value in a data set from at most 30 arguments. So suppose here if I am writing equal to mode bracket open 10, 7, 6, 8, 6 and 5 bracket close, enter. So you will get the answer 6. Okay student, now your next function is count a function, or you can say counter function. It's return the total number of cells or argument which have some value in it. So you may give up 30 arguments, value, address or range separated with the semicolon sign. So some of the argument may contain some values, some may be empty. The counter function return the total number of cells having some values. So let's see the practical student. Here I am using equal to count function. Bracket open. Here I am writing some number 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5 bracket close, enter. It will return the answer 6. So total number of values are there 6 value, that's why it's written 6. Suppose here I am written only equal to count, and here I am using only 3 value inside that. Okay, bracket close, so it written 3. Okay, so number of values it's written. Then the next function is largest value. The large function return the kth largest numeric value found in given the set of values. So suppose here I am writing here function equal to large bracket open ten, 7, 6, 8, 6 semicolon I have to use 7, 6, 8, 5 bracket close. The largest value among these students, that is 10. Let's see the answer. Equal to large bracket open, this is the range semicolon, after that I am writing largest numeric value, it means position, right? So that is on first number, bracket close, enter. So that is 10. Okay, now again for same way I am using the small function, small bracket open, I select the cell range semicolon and the smallest value on position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am writing number 5, enter. The smallest value is, here I am writing the number 6. So that is the position. So I will get the answer. Again I am using here equal to small, select the range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that here I am using the number 6, bracket close, enter. That is the 10. if suppose I am using here 4, then the answer will be 8. Acha, fourth number smallest value, fifth number smallest value, sixth number smallest value, like that, student. Suppose if I use here 1, then it's showing me 5. The first smallest value is 5. The last smallest value means the fifth number smallest value, that is 10, sixth number, right? So this way the small function and large function will be work. Now the next statistical function, that is rank. So how to find the rank? So for that, the rank function return the rank of a given number in the given set of number. You need to provide a value for which you need to find the position, the set of value and order of the sorting, 1 for ascending and 0 for descending. The function position first, second, third and so on given number. So the general form is rank, I am showing here practical, student, equal to rank bracket open, I am writing here suppose 67, and before that here I add this number. Suppose here I am adding the number 90, 25, 67, 89 and 43. Okay, and here I am writing here number, that is 67, and after that I select the range and comma ascending order. I want the rank, that's why I use the number 0, and after that I press enter. If in place of comma I have to use semicolon. Okay, enter. So that is third. Why? Because 67 is the third rank. Suppose if I am writing here number 43, then which rank that person is achieved? Let's see, fourth rank, because 25 is the fifth rank. Suppose here I am writing 90, then which rank that student achieved? First rank. Okay, student, understood? Now your next function is maximum. The max function can take up to 30 arguments. Suppose if you want to find out, student, maximum number among the cell, for that you will write the formula equal to max and then select the cell range, after that bracket close and enter, then you will get the maximum number. Same for the next function, that is minimum. You will write the function name, that is min, after that you select the cell range and close that bracket, after that you will get the minimum number. Okay, student, so today we will stop here. In the next session we will learn calculation with money. Thank you, students. Have a good day.